just got the most summer essential goodie for us girls because I know we all like to wear tank tops, backless shirts, dresses, all of the goodie stuff. But do we like our straps showing? Absolutely not. Because why? Because it's not cute, it's not classy, and it just doesn't look good. So these are literally perfect. They're like the best nipple covers. And okay, so I've already had these before and I'm in love. So they're like super thin. They're reusable, so you can literally put them on as many times as you would like, and they will last you for a hot minute. They work great in the heat. They come in packs of like 2 pairs, so 100% recommend. You guys must order your Busties nipple covers.